moving on to the other big story that we're tracking this morning is how there's a rebellion brewing in the RSS in its Goa faction. Now, this after Goa RSS chief Subhash Velinkar was sacked. It seemed to have triggered a rift within the organization ahead of the Goa polls. There were reports that around 300 workers have quit the organization in protest against Velinkar's sacking. The RSS seems to be in no mood to relent. The ideological mentor of the BJP has said that a new committee will be announced to select a new RSS chief for Goa. This after RSS workers in Goa had announced their detachment from the parent body and formed a separate Goa unit. Reactions coming in. Mayuresh is joining us on the story to give us ground update. Mayuresh, what are we seeing now? BJP chances being hurt ahead of Goa polls, and Velinkar, who continues to claim that he would go with the RSS ideologies, although the political decision will not be taken from the Nagpur.
Certainly, Devina, and now they have decided to establish their own section which will work in Goa. What used to happen is that Goa section comes under the Konkan Prant, that is a Konkan section of RSS, but now the Velinkar and his other group members have established their own RSS cadre in Goa, and according to them, they will be directly working with RSS headquarters. They will not be reporting to Konkan head. That's what we have been given to understand. When we tried to ask Mr. Velinkar that is RSS headquarters, have you got any approval from the RSS headquarters to establish your own section or a faction in Goa? He said we haven't got any kind of approval from them. Let RSS headquarters associate us with them, then we'll see. So right now they have established their own section in Goa. That is the RSS base over here in Goa. Back to you.
All right, Mayuresh, thanks for joining us with that story.